Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I got Shleee, Quibbler, and Ejiubas EJB-01. I'm starting off with Baby Girl Lacquer's Glitter Be Gone, and this is Shleee Quibbler. Beautiful light purple, and it's got so much shimmer in it, it's just in your face with the shimmer. I mean, you can see it already. I haven't even built that rascal up yet. So here I'm going in with my second coat. My first coat, the camera kind of cut out on me. I apologize for that, but we're gonna get there. There we go. So 2 coats is good. Hi Woody, how you doing? Gotta have an orange wood stick. I'll be topping it with the Pro FX quick dry top coat. Gonna get it to dry down so that I can do some playing. We always like to play here on my channel. And cap my free edge. Have it. Could get Woody back out here again to do a little bit more cleaning up. Got a little fuzzy on the end or something. And there's a photo of it on its own. Isn't it gorgeous? And here is the Ejiubas EJB-01. I've got my Conad stamper and a beauty scraper. This is a thermal stamp and polish from Born Pretty. It's 02. And I'm just gonna put these butterflies on a couple of nails. We'll do something else with the other ones. And I wasn't sure, you know, how well this thermal thing was going to work today. You know, it's hit or miss with thermals, and this one actually works. So I'm going to do that butterfly image on the thumbnail and the ring fingernail today. I just think that they would make great accents. Do really love that image. So pretty. I'm cleaning that stamper off on a lint roller, and the plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. And I decided on this kind of like just random image over here. I don't know if it's leaves or flowers or abstract, but I thought it went really well with it. And we're just going to put that on the other nails today. I'm really loving the thermal stamping polishes. I want to play with them some more because I just think they're so cool. And I want to use them while they're still changing before they, you know, stop working the way they're supposed to. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and clean up some of this excess polish off of my skin. This is coming up really well. Really impressed with how easy that cleanup was. And now I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and just clean these lines up around the edges just a little bit. Not much to do here. There we go. I think we about got it. Yep. And there it is. I'm going to use the smudge free top coat from Nailtiques real quick over everything. I love this stuff. Definitely seal that in. And now I'm going to go in with Seche Vite as my final top coat. I don't normally use Seche Vite, but I do have some, so occasionally I'll break it out and use it. I've got a big refill bottle of it, so might as well make use of it. And here is that mani in motion a little bit, all top coated and glossy. And there is a swatch photo. And now for some water play. The cup on the left is cold water, so that's the cold state. And then this other bowl has warm water in it. I don't know why it's discolored. There's something going on with the pipes, but it goes way more pink when it's warm. So we're going to do like some happy here. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.